Today's our discussion topic is solution. Solution include property of solution, concentration of solution, colligative property of solution. The main topic of today's discussion. Calculation involving colligative property. Why do you need salt to make ice cream? Ice cream makers know that if you add rock salt to ice, the mixture freezes at a few degrees below 0 degrees centigrade. That's why we add salt to make ice cream. What are three colligative properties of solution? Tea is not the same as pure water. Some of these differences in properties have little to do with the specific identity of the solute. Instead, they depend upon the mere presence of solute particle in the solution. Now we comes to the colligative property. Colligative property is a property of solutions that depends only upon the number of solute particles, not upon their identity. Three important colligative properties of solution are vapor pressure lowering, freezing point depression, boiling point elevation. These are three important colligative properties. We discuss one to one. First, we discuss about vapor pressure lowering. Vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by vapor that is in dynamic equilibrium with its liquid in a closed system. Vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by vapor that is in dynamic equilibrium with its liquid in a closed system. A solution that contains a solute that is non-volatile. Non-volatile means the substance which cannot easily vaporized always has a lower vapor pressure than the pure solvent. This is the example which showing the vapor pressure lowering. Equilibrium is established between the liquid and vapor in a pure solvent. In a solution, solute particles reduce the number of solvent particles able to escape the liquid. Equilibrium is established at a lower vapor pressure. Ionic solutes that dissociate have greater effects on vapor pressure than does a non-dissociated solute. Ionic solute that dissociate have greater effect on vapor pressure than does a non-dissociating solvent. 3 moles of sodium chloride dissolved in water produce 6 moles of particles because each formula unit of NaCl dissociates into 2 ions. Then next example is that 3 moles of calcium chloride dissolved in water produce 9 moles of particles because each formula unit of calcium chloride dissociates into 3 ions. Next example is that 3 moles of glucose dissolved in water produce 3 moles of particles because glucose does not dissociate. The decrease in the solution's vapor pressure is proportional to the number of particles the solute makes in solution. This is the example which is related to vapor pressure lowering. There are 3 solutions. Which solution has the lowest vapor pressure? Glucose, sodium chloride solution and calcium chloride solution. Next, which solution has the lowest vapor pressure? There are 3 solutions which containing glucose, sodium chloride and calcium chloride. The vapor pressure lowering caused by 0.1 mole of sodium chloride in 1000 gram of water is twice that caused by 0.1 mole of glucose in the same quantity of water. Then next colligative property is freezing point depression. When a substance freezes, the particles of solid take on a orderly pattern. The presence of a solute in a water disrupts the formation of this pattern. As a result, more kinetic energy must be withdrawn from a solution than from the pure solvent to cause the solution to solidify. The freezing point of solution is lower than the freezing point of a pure solvent. The difference in temperature between the freezing point of a solution and the freezing point of a pure solvent is called freezing point depression. The magnitude of the freezing point depression is proportional to the number of solute particles dissolved in the solvent and does not depend upon their identity. Freezing point depression of aqueous solution plays an important role in keeping travelers safe in solid cold ice weather. The truck spreads a layer of salt on the ice road to make the ice melt. The melted ice forms a solution with the lower freezing point than that of a pure water. This shows in that diagram. Then next colligative property is boiling point elevation. The boiling point of a substance is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid phase equals atmospheric pressure. Adding in non-volatile solute to the liquid solvent decrease the vapor pressure of the solvent. Because of the decrease in vapor pressure, additional kinetic energy must be added to raise the vapor pressure of a liquid phase of the solution to atmospheric pressure and initiate boiling. The boiling point of a solution is higher than the boiling point of pure solvent. The difference in temperature between the boiling point of solution and boiling point of pure solvent is known as boiling point elevation. The fluid circulating through a car's cooling system is a solution of water and ethylene glycol or antifreeze. Antifreeze does not just lower the freezing point of water in cooling system, it also elevates the boiling point, which helps protect the engine from overheating in the summer. Boiling point elevation is a colligative property. It depends on the concentration of particles, not on their identity. The magnitude of boiling point elevation is proportional to the number of solid particles dissolved in the solvent. The boiling point of water increased by 0.512 degrees centigrade for every mole of particles that the solute forms when dissolved in 1000 gram of water. Solutes other than sodium chloride could be used to produce the same freezing point depression in an ice cream machine. What factors do you think make NaCl a good choice? NaCl or oxide is readily available, inexpensive, and non-toxic. It is an ionic compound. It produces twice the freezing point depression of a molecular solid such as sucrose or table sugar. This is the numerical which is based on the boiling point. You have 500 ml of 1 molar solution of NaCl, sodium sulfate, sodium phosphate, aluminium sulfate. Which solution will have the highest boiling point? The answer of this question is that aluminium sulfate having highest boiling point. Okay.